Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Samsung Galaxy S23 FE text notification sound not working issue. So to fix this issue, first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and open apps. Now in apps, scroll down and here open messages. Now in messages, click on notifications and turn on messages notifications. Now here select allow sounds and vibration, and after selecting go back and open messages storage. Now here in messages storage, clear the app data of messages. Here click on delete, and after that go back to your home screen and restart your mobile.